So I thought I'd have a quick crack on this one tonight. It's a challenge lock I've been sent. It's by Pete The Locksmith. It's based on a Eurospec MP10. I'll show you it working. There we are. I won't be gutting this. Generally adverse to gutting other people's challenge locks because they can just be an absolute nightmare inside. So the mysteries of this one will remain so, but it's been a fun wee pick. And there we are, we have it. I've had some fun with this one. Took me a wee while to work out how to crack it. But yeah, thanks. Pete The Locksmith, Eurospec MP10, done. Cheers now, bye.